Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add Facebook to Instagram. So you actually want to open Instagram. You're just going to select the three lines in your profile page, and then you are going to go to settings. You're going to scroll down until you find account sender under Meta, and then choose add Facebook account. Then you're just going to log in. Then you are going to select continue. Then select add. And you can also sync your name, but I'm not going to do that, so select not now and select not now again, but you can enable that. And that's basically how you can add Facebook to Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!